This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering down and unplugging the printer. This clears transient faults. Once done, wait about 30 seconds and reconnect power. This resets internal electronics. You should inspect the paper roll orientation and ensure the thermal side faces the print head, then gently feed paper through the path. Make sure cables are seated. USB, Ethernet, or serial connectors should click. If the printer has a removable cover latch, press it firmly. These first actions remove common physical and power issues quickly. You now perform the mid-level fixes, cleaning and alignment. Use a lint-free swab with 70–90% isopropyl alcohol to gently clean the thermal print head. This removes residue that causes faint or missing lines. Rotate and inspect the plate and roller for bits of adhesive or paper fragments, removing debris by hand or with compressed air. Once clean, close the cover and run the printer self-test or driver diagnostics to verify marks and sensor reads. Make sure to note you finish by addressing firmware and sensor issues. Update the printer firmware and reinstall the manufacturer driver because corrupted firmware or drivers often cause persistent errors. Inspect paper sensors visually. If misaligned, gently reposition clips or replace the sensor assembly per manual instructions. After updates and alignment, reboot and run a test print. If the error remains, write down the exact error code and conditions, and contact support. Having the error code speeds diagnosis. One key troubleshooting tip: swap a known good.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.